The Smart Airway Adult incorporates smart features and sensor technologies to provide real-time feedback to users training in airway management. The Smart Airway app includes 3 training modes. Self-directed training. Students can put their knowledge to the test in self-directed training mode by customizing test criteria to focus on areas of weakness. The Smart Airway app enables access to educational content such as the preparation, method, and possible complications anytime, which provides flexibility for self-directed learning. Students will receive quantitative feedback on their performance and guidance on how to improve. Feedback will be stored for each student, therefore over time they can review how they have improved. This also allows instructors to manage students more easily and note their training efforts. The ability to complete repeatable sessions ensures competencies are controlled and measured in an objective manner. Practice mode. This mode allows the user to familiarize themselves with the model and app and get real-time feedback on techniques such as incisor force, cricoid pressure, head position, jaw thrust. And bag valve mask or endotracheal tube ventilation. Additionally, this allows the user to get visualizations of the lung volumes via bar graphs and pressure curves. This will give them feedback on respiratory rate, tidal volume, and peak inspiratory pressure. The app can discern accurate adherence from inconsistencies in established best practices, creating transparent pathways for targeted refinement. Real-time icons along with audio and text commentary provides feedback to the user, allowing them to help better their technique. Instructor-led assessment. Instructor-led assessment mode allows instructors to modify scenarios and assessment criteria based on the user's level of experience. Pre-theory questions can be included before examination of technique and marked accordingly. Quantitative data is generated from the app, and the time-stamped video debrief feature allows for one-to-one feedback post-scenario, ensuring a safe and supportive learning environment. A certificate of completion is awarded at the end of the assessment. A number of instructor tools are available to customize the learning experience. The Assessment Manager allows instructors to create custom assessment scenarios with full flexibility on the title, description, objective, and procedures involved. These can be saved for future use during instructor-led assessments. Certificate Designer enables the creation of custom certificates for your students once they have completed a session using the assessment mode. Instructors have the ability to change the logo and color to match your institution, as well as change headings, scenario names, key scores, and statistics. Limit Editor allows instructors to create new custom limits for each feature, narrowing or widening the level of difficulty for their students. These can be named and saved for future use in assessments, self-directed training exercises, or during practice mode. Assessment history. The instructor has the ability to review and grade past assessments carried out by students. This will allow the instructor to review their students' performances as they please, structured in one easy-to-access location. For more information or to speak with a product specialist, contact us today.